So what are we doing today? Well, today I'm doing a calf check. I want to make sure that the bottle baby, who is absolutely put me on ignore at this point. Yeah, I haven't bottle fed him for over a week now. Making sure that he looks like he should look healthy, ears up. There he is. So here's the other calves, the little white one and the larger black calf. So as you can see over here, one of my cows has reversed her collar. It's like upside down, but it'll rectify itself, so I'm not going to worry about it. It's done it in the past. I don't even know if this is the same cow. I'm not too worried about it. So it looks like he's doing just fine. I don't think he has any scours or anything like that. Check out the rump. Nope, nice and clean in the rear. So he's a little less skittish than the rest, only because I was bottle feeding him for all of 3 weeks. So I would say he's about a month old, because I got him when he had to have been 5 days old at the most. So he seems fine. So between the three mothers and the 4 calves, I think it's working out. The big red cow, she hides her baby. Her baby's never in direct sight. But that's okay. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're just making sure that all the cows are good. No major problems in walking. I'm a little bit concerned about this older cow here. She was limping for a time, then it seemed to be okay, and then I saw another limp again. So I want to make sure that she can walk. Of course, this is the scary cow, the one that is crazy when you get her in a chute, but not so crazy when you have her in the field. But she's like one of those, like a bull, you can never trust him. So yeah, she's still sore on the right front, although I was almost sure it was the left front last time. So I don't know, it's not horrible. I noticed that on the necklace, she's following the rest of the herd for the majority of it, so she can keep up, and she's getting water, which is the most important things, because they can get, if they have really bad feet, they can get bogged down in that mud and die. I've had that happen if they don't have the energy to pull themselves out. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're just checking up on all the cows, what their status is. And Big Red, where'd you hide your baby? Huh? Where'd you hide your baby? Huh? You're not telling, huh? Anyway, I want you all to have a nice day. It's getting hot here. It's already like 92 degrees and humid. So have a good day. Bye.